Alright, checking out the S&P futures here on the monthly first. Two retracements drawn, one from the '09 lows into the all-time high, the other one from the '16 lows into the all-time high. We had price come off of the all-time highs and back test down here into where we had the green box from 2031 into 2179 at the secondary 76.4 here. And since then we've had price bounce well back over the primary 38.2, as well as the secondary 61.8 here at 23.54 to 24.11.75. If we want to, we can throw a third retracement from the all-time high down here into the swing low, and we'll just go ahead and make it yellow real quick. So now we can see that after price made that range, we tested back up into the secondary 50 as well as the tertiary 38.2 here, 2600 to 2641.50, and did find resistance in that area. I need to change that from yellow to red real quick. Alright, and now we see price has started to gap down here in the overnight. There we go. So there's that test up into that resistance area that we had, and now price gapping lower here in the overnight session. Still holding above that key pivot at 23.54 to 24.11. Currently holding the tertiary 23.6 at 24.62.75. If we wanted to put a line in the sand where the bulls must continue to hold this price, we can put the 61.8 of the current bounce, and that's down here at 23.50 as well. So once again, just another time frame signifying how important this area is from 23.50 up to 24.11.75. While this price remains supportive as well as 24.62.75, then looking for a bounce back up here into, you could do the shortest term 61.8 at 25.62, then followed by again our area of resistance at 2600 to 2641. I'm going to go ahead and delete this real quick. And then if we do break through that area of resistance, we have option to test up into 27.52 to 27.86 as our next area. And then finally the tertiary of this, or the 61.8 of this move, and the tertiary is 29.30. If we do back out just to see the volume, we do see that above 27.50 above 27.50 to 27.85 or so, a lot of area resumes back above price, and that's where things are going to get a little iffy. I wouldn't be shocked to see price test back up here into the 2600 to 2640 and even make it into this 27.50 area, but then above that, I think that's where we have to be a lot more selective with entries and exits, what stocks are being picked, things such as that nature. If we do lose 23.50, then it offers the roll all the way back down here into 21.79 and the lower end of that support range at 20.31. Personally expecting some consolidation and chop in this 24.11 to 2600 range, and then that break up to test 27.50. Also be sure to check out that spreadsheet, the support and resistance spreadsheet that I just put out. It has a lot of good levels for a lot of the larger names in the market. So I hope you guys all have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow when the market opens.